Dear friends, in this video, we will learn MATLAB code for amplitude modulation. So first of all, you should learn what is an amplitude modulation. In amplitude modulation, amplitude of the high frequency carrier signal is varied in proportion to the amplitude of lower frequency message signal. So I have to define two signals. First will be low frequency signal and second will be a carrier signal that will be high frequency signal. So for defining these two signals, I have to take some important parameters. First is the carrier frequency. You can take any carrier frequency. I am taking at 1000 hertz. And then there is your message signal, that is your low frequency signal. I am taking 100 hertz. Then its carrier amplitude is 1. Also, message amplitude is 1. And sampling frequency I am taking at 10,000. And time will be varied from 0 to 1 with the sample of 1 over fs, that is sampling frequency. So when you have defined your low frequency signal and high frequency carrier signal, then these two will be amplitude modulated. Like this will be S is equal to your amplitude modulated signal AC, this one plus this one SH signal multiplied by, it will be dot multiplication, this one, this is 2 times F by FC times T. So this is your amplitude modulated signal. So you have to plot first. In first plot, there will be your message signal, and then there will be carrier signal, and then there will be amplitude modulated signal. So let me plot this. Okay, you can see that uh, this is your message signal, this is your carrier signal in, and this is your amplitude modulated signal. You can see that amplitude is changed. So if you have to plot further, you can just change the parameters, and even like you can change the amplitude of the message signal or carrier signal, anything. This is your reference code. Using this code, you can perform amplitude modulation for your desired signal. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more videos.